Obliged.
And
Eight.
appeal is allowed and there is some modification. And after modification, the now property, the assessment at present will be 28 lakhs, 55,506. And the amount has already been paid, will be deducted from this awarded amount. Now your awarded amount is enhanced to rupees 28 lakhs, 55,000.
Obliged.
Nine.
Court finds no merit in the appeal and consequently the appeal stands dismissed. Appeal stands dismissed. It is dismissed.
For various for day given year number one.
Made please, Your Lordship.
We have received the, you were there, I think. We have
Well,
received this scan copy. no?
Yes, madam. Well,
Find your objection in any? No.
No, Lordship.
may
Yes, Mr.
Made please, Your Lordship. As a regular bail, my lord, charge sheeted case, my lord. Lordship may kindly have a look, my lord, at page 15, my lord. 15. Lordship will find there, my lord, 5 persons' name, my lord. Yes, my lord. My lord, I am appearing on behalf of serial number 2, 40 Kali, my lord. 40 Kali, my lord. Now, my lord, 1 and 5, my lord, Bablu Mia and Sanju Chaudhary, my lord. They have been enlarged on bail, my lord, by your lordship, my lord. That your lordship will find at page 72, my lord. It starts from page 72, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, here, my lord, lordship, same footing, my lord. The lordship had granted bail, my lord. On the ground, my lord, non-compliance of section 50, my lord. Now it will be 47 BNSS, my lord. Page 70 is that notice, my lord. Page 70, my lord, 70. You are hereby informed that you are arrested in connection with the above reference case and the case is non-bailable, so you are forwarded to the court. You may submit the petition before the honorable court for your bail. Now, my lord, that order, my lord, passed by your lordship, my lord, same order.
Otherwise, what is the position of the case?
My lord, in this case, my lord, charge sheet was laid, my lord, and my lord, citing, my lord, 10 number of witnesses. But till date, my lord, only 3 has been examined.
So your petition is in custody since when?
Since, my lord, since 21/12/23.
23.
20. Madam, my submission will be, my lord, that order passed by your lordship will be same, my lord, except the name of the person, my lord. Same
Yes.
case.
Lordship,
Is
The last
commercial
thing also
quantity
your submission we have recorded. Any other submission from your side?
or same submission prepared?
More or less same. At the time of granting bail to the co-accused one Bablu Mia, what was the position at that time also?
That time, my lord, lordship had, my lord,
Only one witness.
page 73, only one witness, my lord, one witness.
Now three examples.
Now three examples. Paragraph, page 73, paragraph 3 will be some correction, my lord.
Okay, sit.
I'm obliged. Deeply obliged.
Item number 2. Item number 2, what is the position here also? We have received this scan copy.
My lord, item number 2, my lord, this is with me, my lord, item number 2, my lord, that is the TCR we have received, and even my lord, item number 3, both are my lord, arising out of the same my lord PS, PS case number 105/2022.
Council is also same.
My lord, yes, my lord. My lord, but he was present, my lord, before I think Mr. Jalan was there, my lord.
Okay, just we here to other two, then
Yes,
timing back.
yes, my lord.
Out of, but not out of same FIR.
My lord, out of the both 2 and 3 out of the same affair,
Same
my lord.
FIR.
They came on the ground of my lord inordinate delay part, my lord.
Achha.
On that, my lord. Earlier one was my lord. Here, my lord, there, my lord, from the my lord, only the thing is that outstate, my lord, accused from Manipur, my lord, NDPS commercial quantity. Earlier one, my lord, already was passed, my lord, granted bail, my lord, to one of the accused.
But they are from Manipur.
They are. He was also, my lord. He's in that, my lord.
Other one.
Yes, my
So
lord.
do you have any
He was
information?
also from my lord, Pobal, Manipur, my lord.
Just give me one information.
My lord.
The other one who was also from Manipur was already granted. Now I don't know what basis it was granted. We'll have to see. And
Yes.
whether he is now attending or he is now absent.
My lord, my lord, as per the my lord record, my lord, as per the record, I have gone through that because my lord, some COTs are real for the verification process, my lord, it takes time. Thereafter, my lord, one date, my lord, was there. Though he was not appeared, my lord, he has taken step through his
True
counsel.
counsel.
Yes.
Okay, we'll hear to it and if it becomes. Now 4. You are appealing on 4. Yes, 4 we have received the case that you know.
My lord, for my lord, we received the case there, my lord. But in the meanwhile, you know, the transcript is completed, my lord. Because nowadays, my lord, they are sending my lord through my electronic mode, my lord.
Mm.
So I have communicated with the my lord, that is the IO concerned, my lord. So who informed me that my lord, because my lord earlier interim was there, my lord, and my lord charge sheet was my lord filed on 23/8/2025, my lord.
23.
23/8/2025. Right, charge sheet number, my lord, 5/2025, my lord. So he was also charge sheeted, my lord, being an absconder, but they informed me that after getting, my lord, that is the interim pre-arrest bail on 18/8/2025, they went to the police station. But in the meanwhile, before they appeared, my lord, charge sheet was submitted.
Then we'll extend their interim.
My lord,
Because it is a case that they have
Yes,
they are
ma'am.
on interim.
my lord, there it is.
You were on interim earlier.
Yes.
Your interim protection was there,
Yes.
but before your appearance before the police station, most probably the charge sheet has already been laid on 23rd of the August 2020. Though your interim was on 18/8/2025, 7 days or 10 days was given to you. But before the completion of 7 or 10 days, the charge sheet was laid, and that's why you have shown as an abscond. So, but we'll extend your interim he appeared before the learned trial court below with a regular application form. That may be considered. Let's see what. Otherwise, what is the nature of case in fact?
My lord, nature of the case is that, my lord, it is, my lord, there is the theft of, my lord, some, my lord, that is cattle, my lord.
What's step?
Theft of cattle, my lord.
Your MS? Your good name?
B.R. Burman.
VR
Burman. Burman.
Borman. You are appearing on behalf of MS
On behalf
V.
of
Bora.
B. Bora.
And Mr. MS V. Borman, the learned counsel appearing for MS G. Bora, the learned counsel petition, and also heard Mr. P. Bhushan. Additional people appearing on behalf of secretary. Is this taken to the court? Is diary and case diary is also received, but is informed by the it has been informed by the investigating officer that the case has already been charged by CS number 5 of 2025, dated 23/8/2022. Mr. Kuchwal also submitted that after obtaining the order of interim pre-arrest bail, the petitioner appeared before the I.
My lord, that telephonically, on my telephonic instruction, he stated
Achha.
this, because, my lord, that is not recorded. my
Oh,
lord.
oh, yes, that was your submission.
Yes, ma'am.
I repeat your not as informed by the I. Mr. Bush submitted that as informed by the I. The petitioner appeared before the police station after getting the order of interim pre-arrest bail. But prior to that, the charge was already paid on 23/8. In view of this, the petitioner is hereby directed to appear and trial court below with the dates from today, the regular bail application which will be considered in accord till in date to be clear. The entry upon last part shall that
Five,
May it please the Lordship. That's an application under section 482, Lordship. Earlier it was rejected, Your Lordship. Rejected on 14/7,
yes,
2025.
what you have received here.
Yes, my lord. CD receipt, my lord.
Yes, what you want to submit.
Victim was earlier occasion, victim was not recovered, Your Lordship.
Victim was not recovered.
Recovered at that time, Lordship.
Okay.
On 14/7, 2025, the case was rejected, Lordship. After that, I came to know from the petitioner instructed me the victim was recovered, Your Lordship. And
Oh, your earlier petition earlier was rejected.
yes, Lordship.
Okay. Achha. Now she has already been
Recovered, Lordship.
recovered.
Victim recovered, Lordship, and the main accused, FINM accused person also released on bail.
So your petitioner is not the FIN?
No, no, Lordship. I am not name FIR, Lordship.
Yes, question.
Yes, my lord, CD receipt, my lord. Here, my lord, the case is that, my lord. May I come to the, my lord, to the vernacular part of the FIR again, my lord. It is in, my lord, page 14, my lord. May I read, my lord, the relevant portion only. বিনীত সন্মানপূৰ্বক নিবেদন এই যে শ্ৰী শ্যাম বৰা আঠগাঁও মৌজা গুৱাহাটীৰ নিবাসী মৌজা গোৱাল গাঁৱৰ নিবাসী হওঁ যোৱা ইংৰাজী 7/5/2025 তাৰিখ বুধবাৰে মোৰ একমাত্ৰ পুত্ৰ শ্ৰী হৰিপ্ৰসাদ বৰা 14 বছৰ বয়স মোৰ ঘৰৰ মানুহৰ অজ্ঞাতে আমাৰ একে গাঁৱৰ নিবাসী প্ৰশান্ত শইকীয়া গুৰুৱে চল চাতুৰি কৰি মোৰ পুত্ৰক অপহৰণ কৰি নি কোনো অজ্ঞাত স্থানত আবদ্ধ কৰি ৰাখিছে। Now, my lord, admittedly in the FIR, my lord, name is not there, the present accused person. Now, my lord, from that accused, my lord, Prasanto Hoikia, my lord, police, my lord, after lodging of the FIR. Yes, my lord.
Achha.
The first person is the, my lord, that is the accused is Prasanto Hoikia, who is
Okay.
from the same village of the, my lord, that is the victim, my lord, the 14 years old boy. Now, my lord, he was, my lord, taken by Prasanto Hoikia. It is a, my lord, big nexus, my lord, who are involved in trafficking and, my lord, child labor. And this present person, my lord, who is the present accused petitioner, he is the main person. He is the key person, my lord. He is the kingpin of the entire thing, my lord. And as a big racket is there. Police, my lord, categorically filed a prayer for bail objection, my lord, along with the CD, my lord, where it is very clearly stated. And, my lord, during the course of investigation, my lord, his place was also searched, my lord. One Bolero vehicle, my lord, which is used for these purposes. Along with this, my lord, child, my lord, labor and the child trafficker, other persons, those who are adult, they are also, my lord, illegally, my lord, this person transported. And my lord, first the boy was sold to that person. Again, he sent that boy to with another person to JNK, my lord. And in the meanwhile, my lord, as because there is another person who was also there, my lord, along with the group, that boy from another station took him away out. And that boy said that we can go to Rajasthan where we get some opportunity to work because he's 14 years old. From where he again came back to home, my lord. And my lord, from the that is the photograph of the present accused petitioner, my lord, that he was able to, my lord, identify the person, that this is the person. And my lord, there are sufficient materials, independent witnesses are there, my lord, as because investigation is going on, my lord. I am not, my lord, elaborately discuss the thing, my lord. I kindly peruse the city, my lord. In this case, my lord, and he is a habitual offender. Earlier also some cases are pending against him on similar nature, my lord. That is also stated in the objection petition. So, my lord, my humble prayer is that my lord, it is not a fit case, my lord, to grant the free arrest bail. And my lord, in these cases, my lord, custodial interrogation is very much required, my lord.
Lordship, kindly see the para 7. I have stated my granted Lordship. The actual fact of the case is that the petitioner uses to supply laborers for construction related works at Jammu and Delhi. This is admitted fact, Your Lordship. The petitioner sent the laborer to Jammu and Delhi, Lordship. This is admitted fact, Your Lordship. As per the request made by the constructors working at Jammu and Delhi. As per the contractors' request, Lordship, the petitioner did not send the son of the informant, Lordship, though the FIR name accused, namely Prashant Soike, approached the petitioner saying that he is the brother of the victim, Lordship. Prashant Soike approached the petitioner and saying that he is the brother of the victim, Lordship. The FIR name accused person said to the petitioner, Lordship,
But we
present petitioner.
believe that he is a 14-year-old boy.
Lordship.
Then
But-
also you sent him or
But,
what?
but the petitioner denied the request made by the FIR accused as the victim was minor at the time. Lordship, the petitioner did not send the victim, Your Lordship. I have stated my petition, Your Lordship. The petitioner did not send, Lordship. Petitioner did not send, Lordship. So, my lord, victim is recovered, Lordship. The petitioner's vehicle also seized by the investigating officer, Your Lordship. And Lordship, the confiscated proceeding is pending, Your Lordship, in the learned SDGM court, Your Lordship. So kindly some protection may be given, Your Lordship. Any condition, Your Lordship. Petitioner did not send the victim, Your Lordship. Prashant Soike approached the petitioner and saying that he is the brother, Your Lordship, but the petitioner did not send the petitioner as because he was the minor, Your Lordship. So any condition, Your Lordship. Petitioner also, victim also recovered, Your Lordship, and the main accused also released on bail, Your Lordship. Any condition, Your Lordship. Any condition.
So, victim's identity card, etc. Their victim statement is also there.
My lord, 180 statement is there. 183, my lord, statement I didn't notice, my lord. But my lord, order was there because 183 also recorded my. There's one, my lord, I flag mark, my lord, the 183 order like this way. Because he was
This is
produced.
the order. So otherwise, anyway, victim is recovered.
Victim recovered. but He came. 180, my lord, statement is there, my lord.
180.
180 of the victim.
Lordship, present petitioner is absconding lordship. How can identify the victim in lordship? Present petitioner is absconding in lordship till date.
My lord, these things are, my lord, in the, my lord, that is the objection prayer, my lord. That is,
How
I have
can-
categorically mentioned
How can
how CLC, my lord, using the photograph identify the person.
how can
Because
identify
this
the
person is alias, my lord, PK, my lord, is
Who?
known as always Nazrul Haq, alias PK, like this way. And in the railway, my lord, compartment, not only this link, my lord, many other links are there where it is. Some, my lord, independent witness are also there, my lord, 183 statement, my lord, they are also stating. Even, my lord, but it is the search is made, my lord, when, my lord, the Caesar witnesses, both the wife, my lord, they also told, my lord, how, my lord, room is used. And from the statement of the victim, it is clear, not only he, my lord, younger boy, other younger boy was also there, my lord. So it's a big racket, my lord.
no lord?
Along with the, my lord, the
this-
supplying of the labor, my lord, in the name of the
Yes, Lord.
supplying of the labor, my lord,
Yes, Lord.
he used to do all these things, my lord. And the word is, my lord, very is there, my lord, right now on days, my lord, the word is that, my lord, the selling of the, my lord, the sign, the besakina, that like that, my lord, basically, those are the words, my lord, used.
No, my lord. Actually, they
But it's very
he
nascent stage, my
he
lord, to
supplies
find out
the
all this
laborer
record.
lordship. This is admitted fact, and I have also stated my petition in lordship. I have not denied with lordship. I have not denied. He supplied the laborer lordship. That's why the persons are there lordship. Petitioner is absconding lordship. How can he identify the lordship?
So photographs he had बताई. He is known as PK, na? That's
Yes, my lord. And all my lord co-accused, my lord. If my lord, I am because my lord, I am on relying on the my lord witnesses, independent witnesses, my lord, Caesar witnesses, and the victim statement. Apart from that, my lord, if my lord, the those my lord, not only one Prokanta Soikia, other co-accused were arrested. If my lord go through that, my lord, find out the how the link is there. Because my lord, the prima facie, my lord, sufficient incriminating materials are there. And this is case, my lord, though it is progressing, it is still in the nascent stage, my lord, to find out, my lord, the track, my lord. And he has a, my lord, whole history, my lord. That is also, my lord, mentioned in the, my lord, that is the bail objection.
FIR Lords on 15/5/2025 lordship. 5 months already gone lordship. And victim also recovered lordship. Petitioner did not send him lordship.
CCL are also there, na?
Yes, my lord. One CCL is also
Once
there, my lord.
in-
He is, my lord, that order is there. Yes.
Art Mr. S. Rama,
Yes, Lord.
Art Mr. S. Rama, the body, but subject is not the available and available sources that the victim has already been Mr. Subject that he is admitted in the petition, the accused petitioner used to apply some papers to work in work outside the states between Delhi and Jammu and Kashmir, and it is to some and that apart it is not a better one who used one person
Shoike.
sorry, yeah, came before him with purpose to send a minor boy to for work. Considering it, he refused. Considering his age, he refused to send for to the assistance and it's not called for. However, he is ready and extend his cooperation for the states. He there are sufficient support but infinity and the partners are the the many persons are involved. The child trafficking, those were even though and even though also sale also also sale by the them and those were also sent for different especially for aesthetic the products are submitted below. So at the time of recovery of the victim, the some very young boys were hospital. Treatments were recorded, and from their statements, it is seen that the petition is continuing to treat to young folks to train to sell them to supply them as a labor to the other states. It is involved in child child present victim as well as other victim also like the accused petitioner who there who is have identified the accused as photographs. They specifically stated that is the accused is the main culprit who victims in the near victims sentence is very much important. Next one, Mr. Pushto for the subject that even in the the IOs the present accused petition and for the information the boys were kept in their house or they were sold or sent as a paper. Mr. Pushto for the subject that a note of the instead the accused petitioners petitioner is the involved with similar and present
My lord, in the bail objection, my lord, that is case details is there.
Hello. Present. Two cases are, and one is Ronia PS case number 30. And section, Article 1, section 1 of the 143, subsection 3. Or BNS, Rated section 14. Child Labor Act, Prohibition and Regulation Act, wherein the CS has already been submitted. And in another case named another case that is Ronia TRPS case number 01 of the 24 under section 370 bracket 3 section 3 IPC, which has also been charged against. Mr. Bush accordingly submitted that it from a state of the state as well as the considering the further custodial interrogation of the expedition required for the purpose. There will be sufficient will. It is taken up in the nature of the custodial interrogation will be required for purpose of investigation and to honor some more facts of this as well that it's in India restaurants. Find it the case extend related periods accordingly it's if test. Your petition stands with
All right.
Sorry, my lord, I was,
we have kept this one that I thought I
yes,
should
I was not
there
present when the
by
matter was.
that timing it
Yes,
can be
extremely sorry. I am much obliged that.
yeah.
The Lord,
Anyway,
this
yes,
is-
Mr. Jana.
TCR has been called for TCJ, my lord, commercial quantity of narcotic substances. And since 9/12/22, they are behind the bar. And in respect of one of the co-accused, your lordship was 9/12/22, my lord. The forwarding report, my lord, will find at base,
For both the cases,
yes, for both the cases.
both of them were got arrested on
No,
9.
same, out of the same FIR, they are the two occupants of two different vehicles. To page 24 is the forwarding, my lord. Number one,
Page 24.
page 24, my lord, that is the forwarding. It is dated 9th December 22. Right hand side, top.
It's okay.
And the petitioner's number, the Manobi, the petitioner number is reflected as serial number 3. Now, from his vehicle, page 25, my lord will see 757.15 gram of suspected heroin was recovered
From his vehicle.
from his vehicle. And he was the one of the co-occupant. The driver of the vehicle has fled away. Page 23, my lord will see at the FIR, the relevant portion. Page 23, in the middle, my lord will find, instead of reading the whole FIR, since we are not on the merit, that is then admitted fact what has been recovered. In the middle, if my lord will see the following occupants and driver. Page 23, my lord, in the middle, whether got married. The following occupants and driver of the vehicle bearing registration number NL02N 3758 were interrogated by me. Mohammed Samir, son of so and so, driver of bearing registration number NL02. Mohammed Islamuddin, son of so and so, and also interrogated co-driver of vehicle MN 019912 Mohammed Manobi. He is the petitioner before your lordship in this item. He is the co-driver and occupant. Manipur and during interrogation, it is revealed that the owner of the vehicles and one Muhammad Abdul Sukur, whose phone number is so and so, were strongly involved in connection with the incident case as they were transporting the suspected narcotics, psychotropic substances since long. Moreover, Muhammad Amir Khan, driver of vehicle number MN 019912, of which he is the co-occupant, my lord, the petitioner, mobile number so, fled away from the place of occurrence by taking advantage of the darkness. So this is the aspect, my lord. During investigation and interrogation, it has revealed that they are merely the paid drivers of the vehicles in question, and the driver of this particular vehicle, of which the petitioner was one of the co-occupant, he has fled away. That the driver was in fact Amir Khan. And so, my lord, the charge sheet has been laid as page 26. That is 23.3. Sorry. Charge sheet is 23.3, 2023. Page 26, my lord. Page 26. In the second column, my lord, will see date. Serial number 2. Final report charge sheet number 18/23 dated 23/3/2023, my lord. So charge sheet was filed on 23/3/23, and list of witnesses, my lord, will see at page 29. There are 6 numbers of witnesses, my lord. 6 numbers of witnesses. Out of 6 numbers of witnesses, since 23/3 the charge sheet was laid, during trial till date, my lord, the last witness was examined on 11/2/25. Out of the 6, only 4 witnesses were examined till so far. The IO cum informant of the case, Mr. Rajiv, number 1, Rajiv Bora, and the 3 alleged independent witnesses, Mr. Bittu Rai, Bibas Chaudhary, and Sri Moinur Hussain Oja, were examined till date. And so far, number 5 and 6 till date, after 11/2/25, my lord, their presence could not be secured. So trial has stagnant. So considering the similar role and bail granted to the co-accused, Mr. Samir, Islamuddin, sorry, my lord, Islamuddin, by order dated 29/4/25, my lord, taking into consideration without entering into the merit of the case, whether as under section 37 is, my lord, is aware that the 2 condition has to satisfy. First condition as regard to the hearing of the learned counsel, public prosecutor is satisfied. So far as the second condition is concerned, whether he is guilty of the offense or not, and whether he will not commit a similar offense, at this stage it cannot be, that opinion cannot be formed. And taking into consideration that till date, from the date of the judicial custody 9/12/22, as on today, 2 years, 9 months and 55 days has already elapsed. And in case of the similarly situated person, 2 years on expiry of 2 years, 4 months and 21 days, he was granted bail. By order dated 29/4/25 by your lordship. Relying upon the judgment of the Ravi Prakash versus State of Odisha and other judgments, I will not trouble your lordship with the other judgment, because in the orders dated 29/4, while granting bail to the similarly situated person in bail application number 3955 at page 50, my lord, will find that has been discussed. And just for academic purpose, I may submit this the original judgment of the Supreme Court, my lord, relying on paragraph 4. Relying on paragraph 4, my lord, that as regard to the 20 conditions contained in section 37 of the NDPS Act, learned counsel for the respondent state has been duly heard. Thus, the first condition states complied with. So far as the second condition regarding formation of opinion as to whether there are reasonable grounds to believe that the petitioner is not guilty, the same may not be formed at this stage when he has already spent more than 3.5 years, in this case 2 years, 9 months and 55 days. So the prolonged incarceration generally mitigates militates against the most precious fundamental right guaranteed under Article 21 of the Constitution, and in such a situation, the conditional liberty must override the statutory embargo created under Section 37(1)(b)(2) of the NDPS Act. And accordingly, your Lordship has held, relying upon this judgment and other content of judgments, your Lordship has pleased enough, gracious enough to grant bail to the co-accused. So, my lord, without entering into the merit, taking into account the prolonged incarceration of the petitioner, that similar order may kindly be favored. Judge Muhammad Safis. At page 55, para 18, your lordship is held.
And same here with the.
And number 3 also. He is the co-occupant of he is the driver of the other vehicle, bearing registration number NL. From his vehicle, Yaba tablets were recovered, and from
He was the driver.
he was the driver. But he is the paid driver at page 23. During interrogation and investigation, the IU has categorically stated that the owner and other persons were connected in this matter. They are the paid driver, they do not know. But still, since recovery has been made from their vehicle, so they are facing the trial.
Yes, madam, as my learned senior has already submitted, my lord, is not on the merit of the case, my only, my lord, he is on the parity, because, my lord, the another co-accused, that is the Muhammad, my lord, Islamuddin, my lord, was granted bail by your lordship on, my lord,
29. Page 50.
on, my lord, 29/4/2025, my lord. It's on the basis of prolonged incarceration, my lord. Basically, the Ravi Prakash and other, my lord, that is the citations were discussed, my lord. My lord, admitted position is that, my lord, the case is that the contraband recovered from their possession, my lord, they were very much in the, my lord, that is in the vehicle, my lord. On that part, my lord, sufficient materials are there, my lord. But, my lord, 6 numbers of PWs were there, my lord. And the last PW, my lord, that is, which is, my lord, examined on, my lord,
11.
11, yes, please.
Page 46 you'll find.
Yes.
It's saying that the last one, 11/2/25.
Yes, my lord, page 46.
Yes, my lord.
Moinul Hussain Oza.
Yes, my lord. That is on 11th day of 2025, my lord, 11/2/2025. And after that, my lord, that is the, though someone was issued to the, my lord, scientific officer, my lord, the till date she was not present, my lord. The scientific officer, my lord, on various occasions, my lord. And, my lord, after, my lord, that is the, my lord, was pleased to grant the bail, my lord. The another co-accused was, my lord, released on, my lord, 21/8/2025 after obtaining all formalities and verifications of the documents. Because, my lord, all are there from the, my lord, the state of Manipur.
Manipur.
In while, my lord, granting the bail, the earlier occasion to the co-accused, my lord was pleased to give some stringent condition.
Yes,
So
he
that,
will,
my lord,
any
trial-
stringent
trial-
condition may be set.
Trial can, my lord, be, my lord, carried, my lord. And in this regard, my lord, one government's COD was also, my lord, there, my lord. That, my lord, that is accordingly, it is provided that furnishing a bond of 50,000 rupees, only 2 COTs of like amount, provided that 1 COT has to be a government servant to the satisfaction of the learned special judge Difu Karbi Anglong. And the
On
accused.
similar condition, yes.
My lord, that was the condition, my lord. My lord, admittedly, till date, my lord, that is, no, my lord, after that, my lord, PW4, my lord, no, my lord, witness were examined. Otherwise, my lord, 6 numbers of witness, it is in the, my lord, last stage. Only, my lord, 2, my lord, let the witnesses remain. But, my lord, as because my lord was pleased to grant bail on 29
29 courses. And
2025, my lord.
thereafter
One
6
of the
months has
points
elapsed.
with those, my lord. My lord, that is the submission. Otherwise, my lord, from the point of merit, my lord.
I
that is
have
the
not entered into the
prosecution
merit.
submission is
I
there.
have candidate is
My lord, in
admitted.
ordinary delay, my lord, already, my lord, co-accused was granted bail. My lord. All 3 were apprehended, my lord. One was Islamuddin and another 2 the before your lordship. So that is the, my lord, case.
So after the
And, my
granting
lord,
of the
after, my lord, his granting bail, my lord.
6
as
months
my
has
lord, my
gone
lord,
by.
that is, he was released on 21/8/25, my lord. After that, next date was, my lord, 28/8/2025. He was not present, but, my lord, represented through his counsel with state. And 11/9/2025 was the next date. That person was present. And after that, my lord, 23/9, 26/9, were absent, my lord. And the next date of the case is fixed on, my lord, was 16/10, my lord. That was not available with us because we have the order copies up to, my
That is
lord,
also for evidence or
my lord, for evidence.
For evidence, my lord.
So, my lord, that information I don't have on 16/10/2025, my lord. My lord, whether, my lord, with examine or not, because, my lord, that is available up to, my lord, 15/10/2020. We have orders, it's available with us. That is also, I have flag mark, my lord, there. So, my lord, that, my lord, information I don't have. What is the status? Whether, my lord, PW5, my lord, that is the scientific.
do you have any?
No, my lord.
Examine or not?
To my information, not examined. And my lord, only last humble submission is that since the granting of the bail to the co-accused, 6 months has elapsed, my lord. Since the last witness was examined on 11/2 and bail was granted on 29/4, thereafter 6 months has again elapsed. So taking into account the long period of detention, that with any stringent condition as imposed upon the co-accused, the same condition may be imposed. I have no objection. And he will cooperate, he will end in the trial. Most
My-
obligation.
Duty receipt. अरे बस ये बात और बेलेग को बात इसको So having again on 24 number 24.
My lord, my lord.